If it takes me 18 minutes to grade a test, how many tests have I graded in 36 minutes? So I can grade one test for every 18 minutes. Now we're going to get really into these ratios deeper towards the end of algebra, but the question is, well, what about how many have I graded in 36 minutes? Well, to get to 36 minutes, I have to multiply that by 2, which means I have to multiply this by 2. So I'll have two tests per 36 minutes is the same as one test per 18 minutes. When I multiply top and bottom by 2, what I'm really multiplying is 2 over 2, which is just 1, so I haven't changed the value. So here I would have graded 2 tests. Well, what about in 1 minute? Move this. Well, one test in 18 minutes. So I want this 18 minutes to become 1 minute. So I'll divide everything by 18. Divide by 18. Again, if I'm dividing by 18 top and bottom, I'm dividing by 1, which is just 1. So I've graded 1/18th test in 1 minute. What about x minutes? So let's see. So it's so what did I do? I multiplied top and bottom by a number to get me to what I wanted to get to. So here, how many tests? So it would be x minutes is what I'm trying to get to. So I know I grade one test per 18 minutes. Now this one's a little tricky, but you might think of it in a few different ways. I can multiply this by x over 18 to get it to be x minutes, because the 18s will divide out. I'll be left with x. If I do to the top, bottom I have to do to the top. So here I'm left with x tests per 18 minutes. But I want to know x minutes. So let's see, what do I get here? Let me just make sure I know my units here. So this is x minutes over 18 minutes. So x tests per 18 minutes. But what if I wanted it to be, oh sorry, x per 18 minutes per x minutes, because that's on the bottom. And these are test minutes. So when I divide that, I still don't get anything good. So let's see. So where should we go with this? In x minutes, I would grade x 18th test, right? Because in 1 minute, I grade 1/18th. 2 minutes, 2/18ths. 3 minutes, 3/18ths. So it seems like that's where the pattern would lead me. So the key here is just to look for patterns and to understand when you're dividing or multiplying by 1, you're not really changing the value. And to look for general rules. Right? So if I had 36 minutes, this was 36 tests per 18 minutes, which gave me 2 tests. So that rule seems to make sense. And that's that.